So I was starting to panic about my rear brake pad thickness before I go to the Italian Alps on Saturday. It's now Thursday evening, so I pulled the caliper apart, had a look at the pads, and yeah, I was losing sleep over it. So this is one of the pads there, and I'll put that one down there. This is the other one. So yeah, there is meat on them, but compared with a new set, going 2 up with luggage, full fuel, trying to do Dolomites and Alps. Anybody that knows these bikes, when you load them up, you don't have to use the brakes when you've got a pillion on. So Thursday evening, so what I've borrowed, I took the pads out of the Belgian bike, the Milicio, which doesn't get much use, the rear brake as such. Same caliper, same pads, so I've swapped them over, twice as much meat, so hopefully I won't wear them out in the Alps. So hopefully it's all ended well, and yeah, I'm glad I checked, because I wouldn't have, I've just been on the back of my mind, and I'm so happy I did check. And I've got twice as much meat on my brakes now, so I'm a happy man braking in the Alps. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Check your brake pads.